Hihilain ko yan. Hihilain ko yan. Naku, maniwala nga, hihilain ko yan. Katupad ng manas. Pero hihilain ko yan. So, President, kung masusunod dito ngayon, reklamo niyo lang ako.
Gusto niya kong sabi para lang makiklaro.
Sino? Walang mas mataas sa akin. Ako na ang commander dito. Sir na ako, sir.
Diretso ninyo ako sa aeroplano.
Yes. Okay, sir. Your lawyers are witnesses. You can always file.
You have to kill me.
It's not our intention.
You have to kill me to bring me to Hague.
It's not our intention, sir. It's not our intention. It's not our intention. It's not our intention, sir. Casey,
Sir, di ba siya po yung lalaki?
you know that you've done your duty. Okay? You've done your duty.
Alalayan lang si Pastor.